Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today we're showing you a fairly common recipe that you have probably seen all over social media. It's for whipped coffee, also known as Dalgona coffee. So for this recipe you will need 2 tablespoons of water, 2 tablespoons of sugar, this can be brown or white sugar depending on what you like, 2 tablespoons of instant coffee, and ice. So you're gonna go ahead and add the instant coffee, sugar, and water into a mixing bowl. You can use any of the following mixing utensils over here depending on what you have, and mix it thoroughly. Until your mixture looks something like this. After that, you can just add ice to a glass of water or milk depending on how you like your coffee, and layer it with the whipped coffee, and you're done. As you can see, this is a fairly simple recipe. It only requires a couple of ingredients. Very easy to make and very delicious as well. We also want to take this moment to thank everyone for subscribing to our channel. We just surpassed 1,000 subscribers, which is so incredible. Thank you so much for subscribing and watching our videos. We made a little cake to celebrate. Once again, thank you so much for your continuous support of our channel. Thank you for watching our videos on a continuous basis. If you enjoy this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And for more videos like this, don't forget to press the bell icon to receive notifications on our latest videos, and share this with your friends. Thank you so much everyone, and have a great day.